Huh, the music used in this video sounds pretty nice. I wonder what its name is. Well, you might question it as I do when you watch a YouTube video or YouTube short or a video on whatever video streaming service you use and find the music such a banger, but maybe not a creepypasta video like me. Please stop the creepypasta video and replace it with some other clip. I'm getting creeped out now. Thank you. Anyway, you would brush that thought of searching the music name off quickly because you literally have no idea how to find the name of that music. So there is no way, right? Not at all, because today I'm gonna introduce you to a very useful tool for those who want to know the name of that banger music so that they can use it in their video if they are a content creator, by the way. It is ahamusic songfinder tool. Okay, no more beating around the bush. Let's get straight to the point. There are three ways to use this tool. One is uploading a video containing the music you want to search for to their website. The feature that makes this method useful is that it can detect multiple tracks of music used in the video and show them in a list like this. You can check each one out as you like. Another way to use this tool is to have it record sounds from another device or even your humming. As you can see, there are two modes available. Be sure to select the correct mode as the results from the same input in different modes will vary. By the way, this should be the method you use the least because it's not convenient and the result may not be very accurate unless you know the rhythm of the music or you have the video with the music recorded on the other device but cannot find any videos that use the music anymore. And here is the footage of me trying to identify music I hummed. It took me a few tries to get the correct music. The last way is highly recommended because it's easier to use. It is to install the extension in your browser and use it. I'll tell you how to identify music with this method. Here I am on the web page of the tool. The link will be in the description below, by the way. On top right of your screen, click Add to Microsoft Edge if you use Microsoft Edge or Add to Chrome if you use Chrome. The button will bring you to the installation page. Then click the blue button Add to Chrome or the Get button for Microsoft Edge. It's the regular way to add an extension to a browser, as you know. Oh wait, it's added already? That's quite fast. Okay, the extension is added. You might pin it for easy use. Now, find a video that has the music you want to identify to play, which I have prepared one to show you guys already. In order to use the tool as the extension, you have to play the video before turning it on, otherwise it will show you no sound playing in current tab. Okay, everything is set. Play the video, then click on the extension logo to turn it on and wait for a few seconds for it to identify the music. And as easy as that, the identification process is finished. Let's check it out. Okay, stop that video for now. Here, you see the tool can actually identify the music accurately. The good thing is, not only does it tell you the name, the artist name, the album name, and the release date, but it also shows you the video of the music, links to the music in other music streaming services, such as Spotify, and in Music Brains, the music encyclopedia, which sometimes is just a prompt for a search by that song name on the service. Another nice feature is that it keeps the history of each music you identified. It acts like a library full of discovered music, which is good, I guess. Anyway, you should keep this in mind. Not every time can the tool identify music correctly, especially if there is too much noise in the video, and it might not show the video of the music. Sometimes it only shows you the music name, and you should suspect that the music name is wrong or doesn't even exist. Take a look at this as an example. Corridor by Justin Baby. It is just doesn't exist even in music brains. And yes, not every music can be detected like this one. Okay, and that is everything for this video. I hope this video will be useful for you guys. Please let me know in the comment if I missed anything about the tool. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah, I know it took me 1 month to upload this video. Sorry to take it that long, okay? Anyway, see you guys in the next one.